Came from the dirt road. It came from the dirt road. Where the summer burns slow, dust hanging heavy. Everywhere you go, boots stay dirty, hands stayed rough. Learned pretty early, wanting ain't enough. I seen empty pockets, I've seen full moons. I watched good things disappear too soon. Thought all those hard years were taking something from me. Turns out pressure makes. Turns out pressure makes things you couldn't see. Turns out pressure makes things you couldn't see. I pay for the man those hard roads made. Dust and diamonds. Funny how you need them both to shine. Used to think success would look like something gold. Big house, clean truck, something people could behold. Now I measure riches a little differently. Peace when I wake up, people who believe in me. Scars across these knuckles, stories in these eyes. Ain't exactly diamonds, but they survived. Every door that slammed, every bridge that burned, left a little wisdom for everything I learned. Maybe I ain't wealthy by the numbers people know, but I got things money couldn't hold. Pressure tried to break me, made something else instead. Dust and diamonds, both stuck to my hands. One came from the road, one came from who I am. Still guitar crying for every price I paid, for the man those hard roads made. Dust and diamonds, I wouldn't trade either one. You ever wish it was easier? Yeah. Would you change it? Some of it. Some, but not the man it made. So what was it worth? Ask me when I'm finished. Ask me when I'm finished. While the morning fills the sky, dust and diamonds. Turns out even dirt can learn.